Hello YouTubers! My name is the Professor Eljo, and today I will present you my students' project l.e.d Christmas Tree, which you can see in our video. Next thing that you can see is our machine floor. So all the machining operations were done on a Haas VM2 machining center. We decided to make a Christmas tree from 4 or 5 mm plexiglass, which needs to be mounted on a wooden baseplate. The plexiglass was mounted with a high quality double-sided glue tape. Don't use low-cost glue tape because plexi can often lift due to high forces and result as a bad surface at the edges. Our Christmas tree was made on CNC because I teach CNC programming and 3D modeling, and my students need to work on these fancy CNC machines. If you don't have CNC machine like most of students, you can easily make it with a classic jigsaw. First thing after clamping the part on the CNC is to define coordinate system of a stock, which is called G54 in our machining language. So now in the video you can see how we are touching all the three sides of our plexiglass and positioning coordinate system to low left corner. First tool used in our operation was 2 mm end mill HSS, which stands for high speed steel. HSS is very good for softer materials like plastics or aluminum. Second tool that we use was an engraver. We used an engraver for engraving operations including signs and snowflakes. Engraver is a tool with a conical shape and the tip at the end. And the last tool is an HSS 3 mm drilling tool. First operation was drilling. The holes will be like Christmas LEDs when light will be applied from the bottom of the plexi plate. Second operation was engraving, where we do all the sign and the special snowflakes effect. Plexiglass is protected with protection foil on both sides, so we got a funny surface look at the edges. Tree is designed to have two basic pieces with groove in the middle so it can be assembled with ease, like you will see on the video. Right now we are doing the contour milling, which will cut the plates out of the material. Here you can see my students, and they are having a lot of fun behind the CNC. And now the second part is machine. And this is the end of machining operation. First we need to unclamp a part. Then we need to remove a protective foil on the both sides of a plate. Our double-sided glue really pushed down the plate, so my students have a lot of fun removing pieces from wooden plate. When the foil is removed, we have to be very careful not to scratch anything, because LED light will be seen through all made surfaces. We printed our stands for Christmas tree, which have grooves for 9-volt battery. This stand could also be made out of wood and have even a nicer look. Assembling is really easy. My student just push one piece into another and the tree is already stable. Next thing is to insert a tree into a 3D printed stand where classic RGB LED lights are mounted. Effect of a glowing tree is nice even in daylight conditions. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment and subscribe. We would also like to present you other projects that we made, like building your own 3D printer, making an electric skateboard on your own, we would also like to give you an insight of a CNC controller and the knowledge how to manipulate them. How to model in SolidWorks. How to generate the G-code that is a source code for a CNC machine. And how to operate CNC machining centers like turning machine and milling machines. Thanks for watching and take care.